Today we're leaving Dubrovnik. We are picking up a rental car right down the street from where we're staying, and we are headed to Montenegro. Hopefully nothing goes wrong. So we already ran into our first issue.
Probably gonna be quite a while, so.
We just left not even 5 minutes ago, and we're already stuck in traffic. So we're dumb. Now we're waiting in another line with the crying baby. Oh my god. I don't know where, hold on, I don't know where it is though. Alright, so I have no idea where this place is. The GPS didn't take us exactly there. Now we gotta reverse. Oh god. Down there. What does it say?
A ton.
Yes, okay, right there. What more could you ask for? So something always goes wrong with us when we travel. I don't know if any of you are like that, but we are just very unlucky. Ryan just called me from the rental car place and he said they're trying to give him a manual. So I had to go back through all my emails, and I definitely asked for an automatic and he said, okay, this is the price. So they're trying to charge him more to get a automatic because apparently they quoted us for a manual car. So I sent him screenshots of all the emails I have, and he is talking to them now. So he should be calling me back in a minute, and we have to be checked out of our Airbnb in the next half hour. So we will see what happens. We have so much stuff to pack up in this little tiny car.
Tiny car.
He's calling me now.
They have a car somewhere else, but they would have to come get me, and then I could come get you and all that.
So they don't even have an automatic right now?
No, they do. It's just somewhere else. They don't have it here, so they'd have to go get it.
I mean, we have to be checked out in 20 minutes, so how long is that gonna take?
Probably gonna be quite a while, so. But you'll have to just be in the apartment for that much longer.
Okay, well, I'll message the lady now. So $10 more a day, 10 euros more a day. And they don't even have an automatic at that location. So the guy's gonna drive Ryan to a different location and he's gonna pick up the car and then they're gonna come and get us. So now I have to message our host and let her know that we will need to be here a little bit longer, and we hope that's okay. We're finally on the road. We can't check into our hotel in Kotor until this afternoon. So for the next couple hours, we're gonna be hanging around Dubrovnik. We're gonna go up to Mount Serd, walk around up there, get some pictures, and then we have a lunch reservation at Konoba, Dubrava for some local pika. It's our first time driving in Croatia, and there are a lot of windy roads right up the mountain, going right up the cliffside. It's a little scary. But luckily it's only one way, so that makes me feel a little bit better. How do you feel driving?
It feels so good. I'm not really looking over that way though, so.
Yeah, don't look over the edge. You might get a little scared. You might get a little. If you're afraid of heights, don't drive here. It's a lot of rocks.
So far so good though.
It was a stop sign.
No, no one stops. No one stopped. It's more of like a suggestion.
And we already hit traffic. The road is only wide enough for one car. You can see them zip lining. made it to the top of Mount Surd.
Time to go to lunch.
We ordered the cevapi and the mixed meat pika, which is a traditional dish here in Croatia. It's just a method of cooking where the meat is slowly roasted over an open flame and under an iron bell. The dish came with veal and lamb as well as some roasted potatoes. The meat was so tender and delicious, but make sure you reserve it ahead of time because the restaurant needs about a 3-hour notice to prepare it for you. Ethan even tried some of the potatoes, and he had his very first French fry, which he loved, as you could tell by all the smiles. He then shook his head, telling us that there was no way we could leave without dessert. So we got the chocolate cake and the strudel dish. The cake was alright, but the apple and sour cherry strudel was amazing. And of course, we needed some coffee before our long drive. We just had a delicious lunch at Konoba, Dubrava, and now we are in the car on our way to Kotor, Montenegro, which is our next stop. It is the oldest city in Montenegro, and it's actually a UNESCO World Heritage Site. So we're really excited, and let's go. The GPS says it should take us about 2 hours to get to Kotor, but the map is showing a lot of traffic, and we know we have to cross the border. We're not really sure how long that's going to take or how that's going to go, but we're on our way, so we should be at the border in about 30 to 40 minutes. The views on the way down the mountain are insane. Beautiful. Oh. Left not even 5 minutes ago, and we're already stuck in traffic. Someone's already asleep. They're both asleep. It's a small line at the border, but it's moving pretty fast, so pretty hopeful that we won't be stuck here for a long time, but we'll see. We're almost there, and the baby woke up. Made it across the border! So we're done. We just got stamped out of Croatia, and now we went a little bit down the road, and now is the border crossing into Montenegro. So, now we're waiting in another line with the crying baby. So, it's so fun. Finally made it across the border, but it's time for a quick break to feed the baby. Gotta stop at a mini mart because Isla's crying for a drink, so another stop.
So I just went into the store, and so for 2 waters and a Coke was 280 euros. Pretty good deal.
part of the road that's two-way road, only enough room for one car, and there's no guardrails or railing, so a little scary.
And people are parking on the side.
Yeah,
here.
and people are parked on the side. Brian's not scared. He's cool as a cucumber, but good thing he's driving and not me. We're about a minute away, 100 meters away. Let's see if we can find this Airbnb. Some of the reviews said it was a little bit hard to find. You have to drive up a steep hill, I guess. So, hold on.
This one?
Right here. Yes, right there. There it is. This is the picture she sent me. This steep road right there on the left.
I'm glad you sent
This really, oh my fucking god, this really steep hill. Oh my god. Alright. I don't know where, hold on, I don't know where it is though. Do we park somewhere? I don't know. I guess we're just gonna go up to the top and then we're gonna see.
it.
I have no idea where this is. Alright, so I have no idea where this place is. I mean, we have the address, but the GPS didn't take us exactly there. And the host sent me pictures. This is a very, very steep hill, by the way. I'm a little terrified. She sent me a picture of the main road and then the road where the apartment is. Holy crap. Alright, now we're gonna, do you want me to get out and help you reverse? Holy crap. Alright, so now we gotta reverse. Oh god. It's okay, it's okay. We're just backing up here because we don't know where we're going. Message the host, asking her where exactly it is, and she gave us the street name that it's on, but that doesn't show up when we type it in on Google Maps or Apple Maps. So we're just gonna drive back down the steep hill and see if we see any signs for the name that she gave us. So let's keep looking. Some beautiful views though on the way back down. All right, let's look. Do you see, what does that look like down there? What does it say?
A ton.
Yes, okay, right there. Yay, and there's the host. You can see her in the distance. Yay, yeah. There's a pool here, wow. Is it beautiful?
Mom, I want a pool.
Not right now, baby. We can't go in the pool right now. Come on. Come on.
Welcome.
Wow.
Okay. Bye. Bye-bye. Pusa. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you.
We just got to the Airbnb, so come look. We got the bathroom. No tub this time, but the shower is beautiful. And we have a nice sized living room. We have a washing machine in the closet. We have a bedroom with a travel crib. We have this beautiful kitchen with it looks like all new appliances. Beautiful sink. The host said don't drink the tap water. So there's bottled water in the fridge. This really cool stovetop with all these buttons that she kind of showed us how to use. But it looks a little high-techy. Some nice drawers, all our kitchen stuff. We got coffee. She left some coffee pods. A big couch that pulls out into a bed. And the best thing, and the thing that caught my eye when we were looking at Airbnbs, is this amazing view right out here. And this place also has a pool. So, what more could you ask for?